Barbecue on my titties. We're making some fresh trails for the pitter track. Oh yeah. What do we got going on here?
Dude, you got a blowout down there.
Oh boy, get out of my
Just a
ass.
tad.
You got a blowout, dude. Is that airflow or what?
Oh yeah. Went to court like this.
What a piece of shit.
I mean, everyone's gonna know exactly where to follow the crab trail.
Look at this fucking unit of a tree laying here, man.
Yeah, that's definitely gonna kill somebody.
Yep, Brandon probably made me. Well, you took the fast way out.
All right, hussy.
Jackie Chan, retired from the movie scene, working real hard here. He's getting her dialed in.
We're gonna take all these off.
Honestly, I say push it over.
Yeah, dude. Give her a little tug with me.
Professional, dude. Getting after it. Here with the fucking steel, getting busy.
Cut some logs, baby. Get off.
Oh, dick!
Oh, dick, dude.
I'll get the follow cam on.
I
you.
mean, Jesus Christ.
This is way too fast for something on the inside. Taking the pussy lines. Don't play with me. Trying to work in this berm right here. It's getting somewhat dialed in. I mean, he should be coming at any moment.
I dicked up my shifter some more. Alright, I gotta let her rip.
There you go. Soon to be Pitter Cross World Champion, ex-fighter Jackie Chan. Getting her dialed in on the jumps. The style is unmatched. This one don't look the biggest on camera, but I mean, it's about titty tall, and I'm 5'10", like 5'11"-ish, I suppose. But it's probably about 15 feet long, and it's pretty steep, man. It's a booter. She's got some lip on her. You can't really see it on video, sadly. We got the boat greased. Absolutely greased the piss out. Just match the speed and hit them both. This thing's dialed though.
Yeah, dude, we're in this motherfucker. All my spokes are still
Come on,
attached.
man. Family friendly.
Sorry for cussing.
Yeah, dog.
I'm gonna strip these peg bar bolts out again, but hey, that's what he's selling. Oh, he did it.
Got this unit here. She's a month old. Just hit a month old. What do you think, dude? It's a month old now.
Month old.
I mean, it's basically brand new.
I mean, dude, the only thing wrong with it is you're missing the bumper. And,
Brand new.
and this, dude, for it being a month old and you junking on her, I think she's still pretty
I mean, honestly, dude,
solid.
like, look how mint that is. Paint all on her still. That's,
ain't half bad.
she's fresh, dude. Like a Honda, dude. I mean, it's still got the tags, but you can't beat a Honda. You just can't beat it. Okay. I'm not sure what the red lights to celebrate. Hey, I think your bike fell over.
How many times are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Let's go to car. I hope he blows this bitch.
Did you hear it? It sounded like it was about. Oh.
Is that on the J-Mac or
I mean,
what?
Stu Baylor, who? Make it right. Hey, what just happened?
I mean, my chain popped big fucking wheelie and I laid her down.
I mean, Jesus Christ. Buddy, you can't park there.
I mean, what are you gonna do with that?
We're back in commission, I guess. There you go, park them.
I mean, this is the way, isn't it? I know it's backwards.
Damn, I didn't get my fucking phone out fast enough to record.
That's how you do it right there.
Oh, damn. There's the bump start. Oh, fail. There she goes.
Hey, lights back on.
Sure.
This one might be a bit. got that. No way, dude. Somebody's got to try this. Ready?
Yeah, dog.
He wants you to try that.
I'm not gonna make it, V.
Might as well. What was up with the wheelie into it?
Yeah, oh my god, dude. No way.
Gotta clear her out a little bit.
I'm just got scared of them, dude. Who cares?
No, because they post that shit on Facebook and it's not
Cool, I want to be Facebook famous, baby. Yeah,
Maybe
baby.
one day 330 Goods will make it to Facebook.
I mean, Jesus Christ, 330 Goons on Facebook. Yeah, baby.
I mean, dude,
Yeah, dog.
what was that, 100 feet?
No shot.
I mean, Jesus Christ.
This road is taking victims.
Damn.
I just told him don't lay it down on the road. Hussy, what's he do? Lays her down. It's about to walk up. It just got problem.
What, the chain?
Listen to it. Hear it? Nah, I can't hear it, dude.
Turn that off.
You're dialed.
Oh yeah, that's one hell of a dry wipe right there, bud.
Oh, guys.
Dude, it may have actually locked up for a minute.
I mean, yeah, it's almost like she's got 6 or 9 ounces of oil in it. 0.6 or 9 ounces, that is. Maybe 0.069 ounces. I mean, this just looks horrible.
Lay it down, please. Please lay it down again.
Get a Cindy on us, dude. They can do that, but eat shit trying to do a wheelie. I mean, buddy, are we gonna need a tow or what?
What are you doing, dude?
See, that one we got on video.
Oh